Hi everyone, welcome back to Guide to PNC System. Today let's talk about rewrite transaction in policy system. It's used when policy needs to be rewritten either for the remaining term or the entire term after cancellation or any midterm change that cannot be handled through other transactions like endorsements or reinstatement. It essentially creates a new policy version derived from the cancelled or lapsed policy. Step-by-step process in policy system. First is to identify the policy for rewrite. It might be a policy that is cancelled or needs major correction. Then you copy the policy data into a new policy period. If needed, underwriter might review it. Next, the system recalculates premium based on the rewrite details like effective date, term time, either it's a full term or reminder term, and applicable rate book version. Once it is bound, the system issues the new policy number, sometimes uses the old one, and data is sent to billing system and claim system. In billing system, new billing instructions are created and any adjustments are made, and in claim system, new rewritten policy is referenced for any new claim. As per rating impact, full term rewrite recalculates premium for the entire term, while reminder term only recalculates for the remaining period. Each type triggers a fresh rate routine ensuring premium is accurate based on current rate book version. Any differences in rating factors like territory, vehicle or coverage limits or base rates or modifiers impact the new premium. Next is how rewrite transaction integrates with both the billing system and claim system. Integration with billing system. When a rewrite happens, policy system sends new billing instruction through integration APIs or messaging. The billing system creates new invoice plan for the rewritten term. It also handles any adjustments or refunds if the previous term had any unearned premium. And importantly, old policy balances are cleared out and fresh premium schedule is set up for the new rewritten policy. Integration with the claim system. The new rewritten policy term is also sent to claim system. If there were any claims linked to the cancelled policy, claim system will keep those claims attached to the original policy rather than rewritten one unless the coverage overlaps. This ensures that all the claims are validated properly in policy term. That is how integration works. Policy system updates billing system and claim system to keep everything in sync when a rewrite transaction occurs. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.